Are you using Woocommerce for your online store but finding it hard to manage or scale? In this video, I'll show you how to move from Woocommerce to Shopify step by step. Woocommerce is powerful, but it needs hostings, plugins, and maintenance. On the other hand, Shopify handles everything for you. With Shopify, you get easy setup and management, better security and backups, faster store speed, built-in features, easy scaling as your business grows. That's why many store owners switch to Shopify. Go to Shopify and start a free trial. Choose your store name, country, and currency. Once everything is done, you'll see the Shopify dashboard. This will be your new store. Pick a theme for your store. Shopify has many free and paid options. Choose one close to your current Woocommerce design. Don't worry about the design at this point of time. You can customize colors and layouts later. Go to your Woocommerce dashboard. Export your data as CSV files, including the products, customers, and order details. Save these files on your computer. CSV files are the easiest way to move data. Make sure all your important data is saved on your computer before moving forward. Once that is done, go to Shopify, click on Apps and open Store Importer. Select Woocommerce and upload all your files. Shopify will move all your data automatically. After importing, check everything carefully. Review the product details, prices, variants, and images. Some items may need manual fixing. That is normal. Once everything is done, test your store before going live. Place an order, check payments and emails. Once everything works fine, your Shopify store is ready. That is it for now. Moving from Woocommerce to Shopify is easier than it sounds. If you want less maintenance, better performance, and easier growth, Shopify is the best choice. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.